Are we live? Yes, I think we are live. Yeah, we are live. All right. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a social media application using MERN stack and Typescript. So, if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And let's get started. Okay, hold on. CD frontend, CD clear, CD backend, npm run dev, npm run dev, localhost 5173, test user 2, test user 2. Okay, so I need to fix these errors. All right, how are you? Fine, so I'll just start this. Cool. Front end, src, components. Okay. Mintu7403. Hey, I have built an npm package. I am. Can you check and review that? Hello Mintu, welcome to my stream. Yeah, you can send that npm package link in my resume, in my Instagram. I'll check it out later. Right now, I'm building my project. All right. Chat page components, general, and chat bar. And I'll come to my MongoDB. MongoDB. Why is it not filing up? Hmm. This is my MongoDB connect and more on social media conversations. Cool. Fine. Done and messages. Done. Okay. Let's Mintu. You can integrate that in your project also. Can you please check on stream? I'll stream it later, brother. Right now, I'm working on it, and I'm trying to build a production grade code right now. I'll check it. Like if you DM me on Instagram, I'll check it later, or in the in any other video. Shubham Mishra. Hello, Shubham. Welcome to my stream. In your previous stream, you were looking at a code base and writing code. What was that? Which code base? Which previous stream? Code base. Code base. Like I was, using GPT for some code. Which code base? Which day's stream you're talking about, and what was the topic of that stream? If you can tell me, then maybe I can tell you in more detail. Harsh, hello Harsh, welcome to my stream. How are you? This is my code. Chat bar, chat bar.tsx, chat container.tsx. And chat container API chat.api.ts. So C controller, chat controller, chat.controller.ps conversation model conversation.model.ps message.model.ts 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 message in my chat bar.tsx I am getting same I am getting the conversation with the same user twice, and also in the chat container I am not getting the messages. Cool. Shubham Mishra from GitHub. I forgot the stream name, but I like what you do too with discipline and nice work. Oh, thanks, Shubham. Yeah, basically I use my own GitHub code. In my GitHub repository, I've worked with previous projects, and when I face some issues or I have some something is going over my head, I try to see my previous code just to freshen up. So maybe these were some of the codes that I look while building. Fine. Suraj, where are you trying to use mic? Why are you trying to use mic to tell GPT? Suraj, I'm not using mic. Basically, I have a habit. This is my habit that when I code, I speak while I code. So I'm not telling GPT through mic. I am actually typing. It is my habit that when I code, I keep saying the words that I'm typing. All right. Same user appears twice in chat bar duplicate. This happens when MongoDB currently allows multiple conversations with the same participants. Even basically in chat bar, I am getting this. Oh, what's happening? You're seeing two separate conversations with the same user. One will image. That means the database already has duplicate one documents for the same pair. Give me the full code. Okay. Subham Mishra, what college are you from and which year are you in? Shubham, I've completed my BTech. Currently, I'm not in college. I finished my BTech. Pheronix, hi. Hello, Pheronix. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Front end, SRC. Pheronix 7, is your tomorrow is late date? Late date, I mean, see, by tomorrow, this application is almost done. but the chat is also fixed. There are a few bugs that I'm fixing, and then after this, just implementing socket.io. Then this application is done, but I'll not deploy it because I will take it to the next level by implementing rate limiting and caching also. So I'll do that. FTech Plays. Hi Abhishek. Hi FTech Plays. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? So here we go. SRC backend, SRC models, conversations dot model, conversations dot model. Basically, so local compare here con conversation schema dot index of participants one and unique true. This is done, and for one user pair. Fine, this is done. Then I will get or create conversation. Controller SRC controllers conversations chat controller get or create conversation. Here I'm doing this. User ID dot to string equals to receiver ID dot to string cannot chat with yourself. Shubham Mishra. So I'm in my fourth year, 8th sem, and I don't know DSA. Should I learn full stack and will that give me a job? See, you are already in fourth year, and I will suggest you to go for full stack because, with that you can build projects and that does increase your chance of getting a job. But if you give your time with DSA, like I will say that if you are doing DSA along with web dev, just give 1 or 2 hours every single day for DSA and give the entire remaining time to your web dev. Who cares you? Hello, who cares you? Welcome back to my stream, bro. Started JS with chat or chai or code playlist. It's feeling too much complex. Like he's explaining a thing in that GitHub code space. So tell me, why does he teach in code space, and is it good way? See, what you just that apart from that code space or a thing, what you can do, you can simply install Node in your system, and whatever he is doing, you can just copy that in your own VS Code. Just you need to install a node in your application. That is the only thing. And just code along. You should code along while you watch that playlist. FTech plays. भाई तू Mongo use कर रहा है क्या? Yes, FTech plays. I'm using Mongo for as ORM for my MongoDB database. 9am Games, what's up? Hello 9am Games. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? FTech plays. 9am Games हाय ओके 9am Games टाइम ज़्यादा टाइम तक लाइव नहीं रहूँगा बाहर हो भी ओके 9am Games थैंक्स ब्रदर थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस स्ट्रीम इवन इफ यू आर आउटसाइड इट मीन्स अ लॉट 9am Games okay Riju Rani 18. Hello Riju, welcome to my stream. Is Python Django good? Yes Riju, Python Django is a very good framework. You can learn it. Entire Instagram backend is built on Django backend. Sagar Rathod. Hello Sagar, welcome back to my stream. Hello, good evening sir. कैसे हो boss? Do you remind me? Yes Sagar, I do remember you. How are you brother? FTech please. Full completed Minecraft live stream an hour ago. I'm doing worksheet. Okay, and I game. That's crazy, bro. Shubham Mishra, bro. How much time will it take to learn full stack like you? You can. It can take up to 6 to 8 months. Who cares you? My only concern is that I will skip some feature that he will explain in future. If do not use code space, so I pause the playlist. What to do? See, in what the only thing is that you need to install Node and you need to write normal JavaScript and just run that code. That is it. And in future, when he explains raw manipulation, then I think he will be using normal VS Code. Yeah, we'll join out 12 for sure. Oh, sure, 9 games. Riju Rani 18. I'm thinking of doing DSA from Love Bubber. Is it good, by the way? I'm Rijul, not Riju. Okay, Rijul. Sorry for incorrect pronunciation. See, I don't know about that DSA playlist of Love Bubber. I did not follow that, so I cannot comment on it. 9 games. अभी formalities चालू है. uh, Finlay's Mula 67. Hello Finlay's, welcome back to my stream. Brother, I am from Nepal and I'm grade 12 and learning Spring Boot and Spring Security. Can I build a small task manager project for my portfolio? Yeah, you can build that. And Spring Boot is a very good framework. You can build that task manager using that. Who cares you? Yeah, bro. I have Node.js. I have used. Then I can continue with JS, right? Yes. Who cares? Yeah, you can. You have Node installed in your system. Then you can follow with that playlist. बिरियान हेलो बिरियान वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर हाउ आर यू अभी कंप्यूटर साइंस में हाईएस्ट जॉब पेइंग फील्ड कौन सी है मतलब कौन सा डेवलपर I have no idea like every day every month this fluctuates. I think right now it is uh, data scientist. I think I'm the champion. Ram Ram bhai. I'm the champion. Ram Ram brother. Kushagra Srivastav, hello bhaiya. Hello Kushagra, welcome back to my stream. Mosam, hello bhai, I'm new here. Hello Mosam, welcome to my stream. And see, I give you the context. I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using MERN and Typescript, and that's what I'm doing. Shubham Mishra, are you sure that the whole backend of Insta is Django? And is this Meta is the largest innovator of JS, and they have developed React Node, etc. Yes, like the last time I checked, they used Django for their backend. The last time I checked, I don't know now if they have changed or not, but last time I checked, they were using Django. Rijul, is Coursera courses good? I never took Coursera courses. I think Coursera's courses are too complex, because they are built by universities and all. I think it's too complex, in my opinion. सागर राठौर सर आपका पोर्टफोलियो लिंक किधर मिलेगा देखना है रिपो गिटहब और प्रोजेक्ट्स यू कैन सी गिटहब रिपोजिटरी गिटहब प्रोफाइल लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू कैन check it out. I'm the champion. Add sockets. See, yeah, today I'll try to implement the socket. And there are some bugs. I'll finish, um, remove these bugs and then we'll start with sockets. Awesome. Oh, Nepal. के बनानू हुदाई जा देलो दिखानू मैं क्रोमा मौसम see I don't understand Nepali. I'm the champion finally. Yeah brother finally. Who cares you bro? I'm getting stuck off at perfectioning. I mean when I learned some small topic I didn't understand how it is working. I go deep dive into that topic. Only is that good or bad for foundation learning? It is good for foundation learning. Right? If you have time, if you are in your second or third year, you can do this. If you are in a first or second year, you can do this. But if you are in a third year, then just understand the topic and try building projects. Mosam, should I learn TypeScript? Yes, Mosam, you can learn TypeScript if you know JavaScript. But I will suggest that before TypeScript, learn JavaScript. Finlay, okay, want to build a task manager and similar application. Should I write my own documentation? Is it helpful for getting company level job? Yeah, see, documentation, if you're writing, it's for, if you're trying to deploy those APIs and all, and you want people to use your API, then maybe you can write the documentation. Avinash Thakur, hello Avinash, welcome to my stream. As a data analyst, I need to learn Java or DSA. As data analyst, you need to learn Python and DSA. Shubham Mishra, should I learn full stack or AIML, which will give me the fastest job? And full stack, what should I learn, Django or Node? And what is going to dominate in the future? See, future vibe coding will improve, and then this full stack application will be mainly done by vibe coders. But you need to have the basic understanding of how the code works, right? So I will suggest that start with full stack, then eventually shift to AIML. Because why I'm telling you to start with full stack, because even in AIML you need to build projects and deploy it, right? So if you have a full stack knowledge, then it will be very easy for you. And I will suggest that for backend you can learn Python and Django, and along with that you can go with AIML. Suraj, Mausam tha. What are you building? I'm building a social Mausam. I'm building a social media application. Suraj, data analyst only Excel, SQL, and BI tools. Okay. Data engineers for Python EDA. Suraj, hey, vibe coder is here, full stack. Yeah, Suraj, welcome back to my stream, brother. All right. Yesterday you did not join my stream, Suraj. I think I'm the champion. AIML के roles क्या होते हैं? To work on data, find patterns using regression or classification model, and your job is to choose a model that is the best for your particular data set and find patterns in that or any regression or classification tasks. Divyansh Sharma. Hello, Divyansh. After full stack, what to learn? AIML or GenAI? I suggest Gen AI because after full stack with Gen AI you can build AI powered applications. Shubham, why Django, not Node? Because see, Django, Node is also good. I'm not saying Node is bad, but if someone is interested in AI/ML, they already know Python, so it will be easier for them to learn Django because it is a Python based backend framework. Suraj, कल party करने गया था. Okay, that's nice, Suraj. Who cares you, bro? How do you enhance CSS and for Android? How to improve the design on the app on React Native framework? Uh, See, CSS, I do entire front end. I do from Chat GPT because I don't like to do front end, and Chat GPT gives me code. I understand the code and implement it. Sagar, sir, you are unable to see my messages. Sir, are you unable? Sagar, I saw your messages and I replied to your message. I think. Okay, sir. Sir, which database is good, MongoDB or Postgres? See, I personally like Postgres more because it is faster and better and highly scalable. Divyan Sharma, do I need to learn DSA? Yes, if you are in first or second year, then I will prefer, I will suggest you to learn DSA. Okay, thank you so much, Finlay Simula. Thank you so much, brother. You have a lot of knowledge in this field, and the way you explain things is amazing. I'm sure you will build something unique and different from others. Thanks, Finlay. It means a lot, brother. I'm the champion. So हफ्ते में चार शनिवार होने चाहिए. Shubham Mishra. If I don't know Python, will Node be the best thing? Yes. If you don't know Python, then go for Node. Mosam, is it necessary to learn PHP in full stack? See, PHP is you can go for it, but if you're going for job market, PHP job market is reducing. Divyan Sharma, how to get a good job without DSA? Build fantastic projects. If your projects speak for yourself, then people will overlook your DSA. Okay, fine. Now let's get started again. Receiver ID cannot chat with yourself, and const participant user ID dot sort a any comma b any a then a dot to string dot locale compare b dot to string. Find conversation or find one participant, all participants size 2 done. Create. Okay, done. This is done. Then fifth authorize check. And both get message and send message. Get message and send message. Send message. Where are we doing this? Okay. Conversation. If where am I doing this? Where do I need to do this? I meant where do I need to do this? There is no conversation dot participants dot some p any p dot to string p dot to string equals equal user id dot to string. on. Okay. Here is it. I'll copy this part. Messages, conversation, this part. Copy it. Paste it here. User sender ID. This will be sender ID. To string. Sender ID. To string. Sender ID. User ID. User ID. If there is no user ID, throw new API error 404 user ID not found. This here, I think. Yes, this is done. Hold on. Delete many. Hold on, just a sec. Not here, not here. Here, I'll just come here. I'll remove the conversation. Just conversations. Delete this. Okay, first stop the server. Stop this. Stop this. Here, I'll come to conversations. Drop collection conversations. Conversations. Drop collection. And messages. Here also I'll drop collection. Messages. Drop collection. Done. Now in npm run dev, start the server again. Here npm run dev, start the server again. Cool, this is done. Server is starting again. No conversation in it. Fine. Okay. So where was I? Sagar Rathod. Thanks, brother, from Uttar Pradesh. Oh, welcome, Sagar, and welcome to my stream. I'm the champion. Bhai, C++ का क्या scene है? See, C++ is a very powerful language, but right now it is mainly used to build another languages. You know, C++ is used to build compilers, like Python compilers built using C++. Then there's this, you know, there's this framework like cross-platform framework that TikTok created called Links. That's a cross-platform mobile development. Like it's like React Native, but much faster. That uses C++ internally. शुभम मिश्रा भाई, मेरा 3 महीना है सेम खत्म होने को, क्या नौकरी लग जाएगा फुल स्टैक अगर अभी स्टार्ट करूँ तो? सी, अगर तुम्हारे कॉलेज में कंपनीज आती है तो फुल स्टैक में तुम एक दो अच्छा अच्छा गॉड लेवल प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, लाइक तगड़ा लेवल फुल स्टैक वाला ई कॉमर्स बना लो, सोशल मीडिया बना लो, या कोई चैट एप्लीकेशन बना लो विद फुल स्टैक कैपेबिलिटीज, डेटाबेस एंड ऑल. But you have to understand the basic concepts like operating systems, computer networks, then DSA, how to manage and data structures, how to use computer memory efficiently, solve problems using programming languages. Those things are very important if you are a fresher and companies come in your college for interviews. Aurora Gaming. Hello, Aurora Gaming. Welcome to my stream. Hello. What is for backend, Node.js or Java Spring Boot? See, I have worked with both Spring Boot or Node.js. Spring Boot is uses Java, and it is good. Like it is very powerful, and Node.js is used in startups a lot. Who cares, bro? How does .js code file is connected with HTML buttons or inputs? I mean, in CSS we use class ID calling like that. What is there in .js? I want to understand the pipeline. Answer with example. See, for example, think, for example, I'll give you, where's my front end? index.html. Yes, in my index.html. You know, so basically this div has an ID, right? And inside this, we can so when we use the script type to link the JavaScript with our HTML. Then inside our JavaScript we do DOM manipulation, document object modeling. There we can target this div by using document.get element by ID, and then we pass this ID. So JavaScript will then target this div in HTML. For that, you need to understand document DOM manipulation. Go to YouTube, search DOM manipulation, then you will understand. वैभव पांडे, हेलो वैभव पांडे, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अभिषेक भाई, मैं फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर हूँ, 3+ ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्विच. बहुत ख़राब हालत है मार्केट की. या फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर्स का बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हो गया बिकॉज AI is doing too good in front end, and it is better that you start learning back end also, so that you can call yourself a full stack developer. Confused videos. Hi brother. Hello confused videos. Welcome to my stream. Aurora Gaming. I'm in first sem. Should I go for Java Spring Boot or job for job perspective? See, Spring Boot is good, but it is very difficult for freshers to get into Spring Boot. To get a job as a Spring Boot developer. So I will suggest that you can go for Python if you're interested in Python, or you can go for Node. It is easier for freshers to get into that. Suraj, what is your laptop PC config and internet speed? Let's check my internet speed. Okay. Ookla speed test. I don't remember. I think 30 Mbps. Like it is. I'm using Geo Fiber. Let's see my internet speed. Hold on. Yeah, it's around this time only. I think, yeah. It's my internet speed. And my PC conveys 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, and that's it. Order confused videos. Where is it? Confused videos. Bhai, is REST API good for backend? Yes, REST API is very important for backend. I'll suggest. So you cannot skip REST APIs in backend. Aurora Gaming. Your energy is crazy, by the way. Thanks, Aurora Gaming. Who cares you? Thanks, bro. But I am feeling overwhelmed to start with even JS, and also now I continue in the backend. I can understand that. Who cares? But the thing is that just take it one day at a time. Don't think about 3 months, and just think about next day. What will you do next day? Just plan that and do it consistently. Then you will become consistent. वैभव पांडे, अभिषेक भाई बैकएंड में इंटरनल स्विच नहीं हो रहा, उनको भी एक्सपीरियंस बनना चाहिए. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, आपको फ्रंट एंड आता है राइट, आपको सिर्फ बैकएंड सीख के फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट बना के डिप्लॉय मारो एंड अप्लाई मारते रहो दूसरी कंपनीज में. सूरज आस्किंग बिकॉज योर स्ट्रीम इज स्मूथ. ओह थैंक्स सूरज. Finlay Musla, brother, I have learned C, C++, basic Java, Spring Boot, and now I am learning Spring Security and planning to learn microservices next. I'm on the right path, becoming a backend developer. Yeah, you are on the right path. See, microservices are like it is good if you are, like if you're interested in that, then that is very good. But I'll suggest that, see, I prefer on learning on the things that I come across. See, microservices are only required if your applications get billions of users, like Netflix. Why they Netflix are the pioneers of microservices. Why they built microservices? Because their application was getting so much load that they had to build a new type of software architecture to handle those customers. But in our day-to-day, but you and me right now, like we don't need microservices. So I'll talk about myself. I don't need to learn microservices. In future, if my application becomes too big, then I'll learn microservices. That's how I look at it. Paras, hi bro, hi Paras, welcome to my stream. Okay. I'm Abdul Rashid Talai. Hello Abdul Rashid. How much your application is remaining? Abdul, almost application is completed. I'm currently working on a chat section, and then only socket is left. Almost it's done. Application is done. Who cares you? Bro, can you tell me the tools you are using for your app building? All are free, right? Like API, database, and any other tools. Who cares? Yeah, everything is free. See, for ID, I'm using VS Code. For Mongo, for database, I'm using MongoDB Compass. It is free. For API testing, I'm using Postman. It is free. Everything is free. Jeffstorm Codes. Hi, hello Jeffstorm Codes. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? वैभव पांडे, अभिषेक भाई एक बार बैकेंड का प्लेलिस्ट सजेस्ट कर दो और एक और बात, फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के उससे अर्निंग कर सकता हूँ, या आप फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट बना के फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हो। बैकएंड की प्लेलिस्ट में बता देता हूँ, आप यूट्यूब में जाओ, ठीक है। उसके बाद एक यूट्यूब चैनल है चाय और कोड करके, चाय और कोड, दिस, यहाँ पे जाओ, इस चैनल पे जाओ, देन आप यहाँ पे प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में जाओ, यहाँ पे यू कैन सी बैकएंड प्लेलिस्ट, वेयर इज इट, Django, where is it, yeah, this one, this Chire code backend, this one. If you follow this, you will learn backend. Fine. Suraj, bye bye. SAS, welcome. AI, AS, artificial intelligence as a service. Yeah, that is a good take, Suraj. We can talk about it more. Like, Suraj, what do you think about this AI, AS? You can, share about your thoughts. Rajesh Sahani, can I build React Native part? Uh, Yeah, if you know React, then build a React Native. Harsh Sharma, in next 6 days, is there a React.js developer exam? How I prepared round our machine test, PI round, and then HR. How I prepare? See, I'll suggest go to watch a good React.js playlist, because right now you should have the theoretical knowledge, because everything is, there is this one coding round. So I think you should try to build a simple to do application, and then after that, but build this to do application within next 1 day or 2 day. After that, start learning theories of React.js. सूरज भाई, एक ऐसा फुल स्टैक ऐप बनाओ जो AI बैकएंड, ओके। वैभव पांडे, धन्यवाद भाई, वेलकम। हु केयर्स यू ब्रो, आई हैव अ सिली क्वेश्चन, या सी, नो क्वेश्चन इज सिली, हु केयर्स, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन, नो बडी विल जज यू। पारस भाई, आप कोई जॉब भी कर रहे हो या फ्रीलांसिंग? मैं फ्रीलांसिंग करता हूँ, जॉब मैं करता था बट अब नहीं करता हूँ। हर्ष शर्मा, आई ऑल्सो लर्न बैक एंड रिएक्ट फ्रॉम चाय कोड, या दैट्स नाइस। ओके, सो okay, just a sec. Finlay Simula 67. Yeah, exactly. I am on the path of Java developer, and I am asking, since Java is mainly used to build enterprise standalone application, microservice might be useful, right? Yeah, microservices are useful, and solely for job perspective, yeah, you can learn microservices, and then you can apply for microservices developer job role. Jevstorm codes. Do you know cron jobs? If yes, I want to learn app and learn, and from where I can learn, what should be the prerequisite. See, cron jobs are just in Node, it can be a package, but if you are in Django, there is this package, or there is this thing called Celery, Django Celery. It is used for cron jobs application. You can learn about that. Vaibhav Pandey, Suraj, thanks buddy. Okay. Suraj, yesterday I modified my CV builder tool into AI based resume builder. It simply learn your resume, compare it with job description, and rebuild your CV according to that job. Oh, that's very good. Suraj, who cares you? The question is about cursor movement. Like when my cursor is here in this double quote, then I have to move outside the double quote. Then what key I should use in VS Code? Like I tried to tap button. I don't understand. Like what are you trying to say? Who cares you? Web of Pandit. To do list, pagination, React stepper, start tracing, auto to do infinite. React के इंटरव्यूज में ये पूछते हैं. Okay. Suraj Dai. Also one online course website where AI takes. Okay, that's nice. Cool. Now let's get started. No conversations yet. If I come here, go to message. What is happening? What is the test user 4 image? Users, not this one. Close. MERN social media application. Users, login. Test user 2, login. Go to chat. Where is my chat part? Go to get or create conversation. Let's create a conversation. Chat users. Let's create with test user 2 will talk with test user 3. Go here, receiver ID here, test user 3, send, internal server error. Test user 2. No conversations yet. Refresh. No conversations. Any data? No data. Fine. No conversations yet. Now if I come here, I log in here. Test user 2. Get update conversations. Get the conversation. It should get the conversation. Then conversation has been created. Now if I come here, I should get the conversation here. Test user 3. Hello. Send. Then if I go to messages. Hello. Test. Why am I getting this image? Okay, we'll fix that. Hello. Let's log in as test user 3. Okay, then we go here, new incognito mode, localhost, test user 3, test user 3, come here, and this hello, test user 3, and okay, hold on, yeah, test user 2, for this it is here, and for this it is this, okay, hold on, now if I go here, test user 3, and for test user 2, hello, how are you, hello, how are you, if I come here, I refresh this, hello, how are you, and if I come to my messages part, hello, how are you, and my conversations, same conversations, fine, okay, so this is fine, okay, cool, but the thing is, now if I come here to my test user 4, and if I go here, message, if I send hello, yeah, this is where the issue is happening. Test user 3, from here to here, chat. Why is this not happening here? Chat controller. Okay. Who cares? Sorry, I cannot explain that here to you. Okay. Suraj, you typing in your command. Okay, there we go. Conversation. Fine. See, what is happening is that this is my user. Fine. If I come to this part when this is happening, what is happening here? If you think carefully, what is happening here? Where's my chat controller and my sidebar, chat bar, components? Where's my components? Close this frontend src components, component, general component, chat bar component. This is my chat bar component. Here, what is happening? If I'm getting the conversations there, right? And then when I click on this part, chat slash other user ID, if I click on this other user ID, this is happening. Fine. This is happening. Cool. Hold on, inspect, click here, go to network, close this. Now if I come here, conversations fetched successfully. Done. This is done. Now if I come here, Now this is happening, message is fetched successfully. Okay, now if I come here and I click on this, and if I come here, if I click on message, conversation, internal server error, I'm getting the internal server error. My backend, where? Cool, cool. But here, close this. If I come here, this is happening. Here we go, ChatGPT. This is my code. If I come here now, front end, src, components, chat page components, profile page components, user info dot tsx. Hold on. Message. User ID, logged in. Okay, this is done. Code, user info, app.tsx. Just a sec, guys. I'll just fix this and I'll then start reading the chats again. App.tsx, app.tsx. This is the app.tsx. This is the API, chat API. API dot chat dot API dot yes. Backend controller. This is my backend controller, src, backend src controller, chat controller, chat controller, chat dot controller dot ts. Now controller dot ts and chat container, src components, chat container, chat container, also chat container components, src component, chat page, chat container, chat container dot tsx. My chat pages, chat page, chat page dot tsx. Now when the user clicks on the message button in user info.tsx, then user, then it should get or create the conversation, and it should show the messages if it is there, and send message should work. Okay, got it. From where it looks mostly correct, messages in user for new channel or chat page. Okay, you can when the fetch is also sending including images. It isn't even here's I noticed and how to fix it. User info dot receiver ID routing. Okay, this is correct. And app.tsx. Fine, matches perfectly. Chat container. You fetch or create the conversation and then fetch the messages. This is correct. Common mistakes here break things. Common ID might be undefined if API response shape is wrong. This is the response of get or create conversation controller. See, the thing is, when I am creating a conversation with a user, then it is not creating the conversation. Like for this route, where is it? If I come here, chat, messages, this, for this route, inspect, network, refresh. What is happening here? This is the payload, and I got this response. Preview response. Where is it? Here, there, here we go. And this conversations. Okay. This conversation. I'm getting this. Okay, now let's see. Now this makes sense. Data service coming from backend or the front end. It happens when you try to create a conversation. We need to debug it. A controller. A few issues cause this is not valid object ID. It's not ID. Okay, hold on. Am I getting? अंकित भाई क्रिएटर्स पे का कुछ सोचा है या स्टार्टिंग में कोई पेमेंट नहीं क्रिएटर्स को? अभी तो लाइक कोई पेमेंट होगा नहीं, बस जब अगर कोई फंडिंग वंडिंग मिलता है तब वो सब के बारे में सोचेंगे फर्स्ट. Backend SRC controllers, chat controller, console.log, error.stack. Here, hold on. Finlay Simula, thank you, brother, for your idea. It will help me push my career in a clear and focused way. Love and support from Nepal. Yeah, welcome, Finlay. It means a lot. Shivam Adhikar. Hi, hello, Shivam. Welcome to my stream. प्रिंस डेवलपर ब्रो, वेबसाइट के लोगो कैसे बनाते हो? मस्त वाला जो लोगो का अच्छा लगे। अभी मैं लोगों के बारे में सोच भी नहीं रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अभी एप्लीकेशन पहले कंप्लीट करूँ, फिर लोगों के बारे में सोचूंगा। दिस इज द इशू। Outplay, brother. How you are able to use free version of ChatGPT so much? Mine gets expired soon. Mine gets expired soon as well. Tyler, hey, what's your progression? Hi, Tyler. Application almost done today. We are working. We are fixing the bugs in the chat section. Run dev. Name run dev. Okay, this is now. Let's try localhost 5173. This this is here. Cool. Message sent. Let's see. Message. Hello. Same thing is happening. Same thing is happening. It's the issue here. Come here. Open Mongo shell. Fine. This we did. Hold on. This we did. Get indexes. Get indexes. Participants underscore one. Drop indexes. Done. I got this. Okay. Now this is done. Now let's just delete collection conversations. Drop messages. Messages. Front end. Close this. Backend. Close this. npm run dev. Here. Now from here, let's log in to test user flow. Conversations. Let's fix this from backend side. Okay. So I got this. This is this error chat. This is my code. Chat.controller.ts. Chat.controller.ts. Then come to chat. Come to models. Conversation model. Conversation.model.ts. Message.model.ts. Then message.model.ts. Then I'll come here, paste this. I sent this data. I got this error. Okay. Technology almost all the issue is coming from a unique index. You have this. Another real problem why this is breaking. MongoDB treats a unique index on an array like this. Each internal partner must be unique across all documents. So if a user A exists in one conversation, so my partner is creating A to C. Okay. Okay. Want on a document. The wrong index. Run this in Mongo shell. Okay. And then remove this line completely. Delete it. This. Give me the full code. Remove this line. Yeah, let's remove that line. Fine. Message model. I remove this conversation model. Conversation model. I remove this line. I removed this line. I removed this line. Then here message model message dot model dot ps. Clean plus save. Okay. विवेक चंडल क्लॉड चैट जीपीटी से अच्छा है, उसको ट्राई करके देखो। अच्छा विवेक, लाइक ये वाला सोल्यूशन ट्राई कर तो उसके बाद नहीं हुआ तो क्लॉड से करेंगे। ओके गेट और क्रिएट कॉन्वर्सेशन, दिस इज डन। ट्राई फाइंड एग्जिस्टिंग चैट कंट्रोलर, दिस वन लेट्स find here. I'll come, we'll do let conversation equals await conversation dot find one where participants conversation. If there's no conversation, conver dot create participants. Done. Then this is done. This is okay. I'll remove this line. My front end dummy. Okay. Close my backend. I'll come to this one. I'll refresh. I'll come to conversations here. This will run. Nothing is there. Okay. Then if I come here, what was the command? I have the command here. This. Drop the collection also. Collection dropped. Refresh. Messages drop collection. Messages. This is done. Close this. Then here. Okay. Now let's try here. Let's try this one. Now if I come here, where is it? Yes. Now let's start the server. npm run dev. Run dev. Conversations, and need to create conversation once that's familiar. Anything here, conversations. Fine. Begin the conversations. Send. Hello. Let's do one thing. Test user 2 has logged in. Now let's log in as test user 4. Now if I come here, test user 4, new incognito mode, localhost 5173, test user 4, test user 4, and MongoDB, that fine. Hello, 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 hello. What is happening here? But here, if I come here, chat, okay, fine. This is happening. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, okay, okay. I think because of strict mode, this is happening. Maybe. Okay, okay. Calm down. Then if I come here, this is my conversation ID. This is my conversation ID. Come here, and my conversation ID test users. Who is here? And if this person tries to get the conversation, okay. Rahul Sharma. Hi. Hello, Rahul Sharma. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? Okay, so this is happening. Hello, hello is happening. Hello, hello. Okay. Again, let's delete the conversations. Drop collection conversations. Drop collection here also messages. Drop collection messages. Drop collection. Fine. Then now if I come here, if I go here, no conversations yet. Now let's try one thing that just a sec in my front end src main.txs. Is it happening because of the strict mode? Though requests are going. If we come here, hello, hi. Something fixed. Let's log out. Close this. If we come here, React strict mode not defined. Okay, this is happening. This is happening. This is happening. I'm gonna log out. Let's log out. Let's close this entirely, and this close this also, and here also. If I come here, refresh it, delete the conversations. Conversations, drop collection. Conversations, drop collection. Messages, drop collection. Messages, drop collection. All done. Yes, all done. Now if I come here, I'll close this. I will close this. npm run dev, and here npm run dev. This is it. Now if I come here and if I go to localhost 5173, now if I go to localhost 5173, now if I do test user 2, test user 2, I log in. No conversations. Fine. If I come here, test user 4, and if I try to create a conversation, I come here. Then I'll say, hello, how are you? Send. Message has been sent. Now if I come to my database, MERN social media application, refresh, conversations and messages. Okay, messages visit. Okay, fine. Messages is there. Very good. Now if I create an incognito mode, new incognito window, and localhost 5173, test user 4, test user 4. If I come here, I have this. Okay, I have this conversations. I am good. It's great to talk to you. I send. Now if I come here and if I refresh, I got the response. Very good, very good. Now let's do one thing here in this. Let's just for good looking part, just add a DP, downloads, and a DP, which DP? Scroll down this. Let's add this DP. Let's see. If I come here, refresh, just test 4. Now if I come here and just refresh, I'll see test user 4. Very good. And let's test user 2 will send the image. Let's send this image. Send. Fine. And if I come here, if I come here, this, come here, I got this. Now in this response, my work, this is here. I send this is my work, and if I come here and if I refresh, I'll get this response, my work, done. So that bug has been fixed. Basically, the React with the strict mode was sending two requests. So yep, this is done. Fine. So okay, now if this is done, Raktab Bhattacharji. Hello Raktab, welcome to my stream. Hey, so I just built a job application API right now. What's funny is I don't know how to set up database, but I do know what database is and how to use it. If I had a lot of error, use GPT. You know the concepts of database. Just tell GPT to teach you, how to code, like how to integrate a database in your API, and follow those steps, and then tell GPT to make you understand the code. Fine. Now I think this is the right time to integrate the API, Socket.io, because my work. Fine. This is here. Now let's make test user to talk to another user. I come here. Hello. What's up? If I do this, send. If I refresh. Yep. This is here. This is here. If I come here. I come here. Yep. What's up? In the chats here. Aro Bharadwaj. Hello, Aro Bharadwaj. Welcome to my stream. Which sem? I've completed my BTech. Fine. This is my profile section. I come here. This is my chats. Fine. Now let's integrate Socket.io. Now comes the interesting part. Socket.io. Package.json. This is my package.json. I've installed Socket.io. Hold on. Dependencies. Socket.io not installed. Okay, it's installed. Let's stop this. Let's stop this. npmi socket.io. This will socket.io. This my socket.io. Here's my socket.io. Fine. And my front end. This is my front end. npmi socket.io. Fine. Socket. Sarji, I mean, I had a lot of error while setting up a database in FastAPI. It's funny though. Yeah, I can understand. Like errors can be very funny, but you have to, you know, push through it. Fine. Okay. So done. This is done. This is done. This is done. Let's just minimize it. SRC and in my backend SRC. Now let's play the main game. Close this, close this, close this, close this, and I'll come to my GPT. Okay, so this is my code. This is my backend code. Now give the entire context. Front end, backend, SRC, controller, chat controller. Remove this part. Chat.controller.ts. Then this is my models. Conversation model. Conversation.model.ts. Conversation.model.ts. Cool. Then this is my message model. This is my message.model.ts. Done. Then this is my route. Where's my route? This is my route. Chat.route. My chat.route.ts. Done. My chat.route.ts, and this is my app.ts. 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 My app.ts. App.ts. Then hold on. This is my index.ts. This is my index.ts. Then utils. Just then db. Then my connect db.ts and my db.ts. Fine. Now this is my front end code. Setting up database is pain. It is not pain. Like if you just right now you are learning it now. That's why it is difficult. But once you do it once or twice, then it will be easy. Shubham Rai. Hello Shubham Rai. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? I'm the champion. भाई मल्टीपल टैब से अगर यूजर चैट करना चाहे कंसिस्टेंट सॉकेट कनेक्शन कैसे इंश्योर कर रहे हो? अभी वही इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. आई एम द चैंपियन. अभी सॉकेट इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. आर्किटेक्चर बताओ एक बार पूरा सॉकेट का. Which are you implementing? Okay, yeah, sure. So basically, in socket IO, what architecture we are going to do is that. Hold on. Basically, this is the architecture, right? In socket IO, first there will be a circuit. In socket, we call it circuits. This is a circuit, right? This is a circuit, and these are called sockets. Sockets, and basically each user is a socket. So for example, if there are multiple tabs and there are different users, so each user, you can consider each user as a circuit, as a socket, and each socket is connected to one single server. Fine. One single server, we call it circuit when we are in this term, right? So what happens is that there are different events called emit, then broadcast. Like now when we code, then you will understand, but just theoretically, for example, if user 1 sends a message to user 2, right? So there is this method called socket.emit, and there I can pass the event and the message. So in real-time communication, basically this circuit is installed on top of the server, right? And whenever a user is logged in, a connection is created, and this connection stays unless and until that user logs out. So basically, that is the entire architecture with Socket.io. Fine. This is my front end code. Okay. App.tsx. And my app.tsx. App.tsx. So see. So see. tsx. 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 Then feed pages, feed page, feed page, feed page, feed page.tsx, page, page, then inside feed page, I need sidebar, sidebar.tsx, then I need chat container, then chat page, pages, page, chat page.tsx, then chat container.tsx, chat container, container. Now I want to implement real time communication with socket.io. So when a user socket.io for sending and receiving the messages. Okay. Code play. Are you in college or pass out? Code play. I've completed my BTech. I've passed out my BTech. Okay. Now, nice work so far. Your chat flow is solid. Adding real time with Socket.io is right next step. Let's fire Socket.io in your existing MERN chat so messages appear instantly without refresh. I'll give you a copy paste. Okay. npm install npm Socket.io done. Index.ts attach socket to your server. Very good. Fine. HTTP. Okay. This is the same thing. Const port. Okay. Fine. Server. HTTP. Very good. Okay. New server origin. Cool. This is done. Then io.connection. Basically, this is an event. Connection is an event. Then socket. Console user connected. Socket ID. Socket join conversation. Conversation ID. Socket join conversation ID. Cool. Socket disconnect. Okay. Done. Then connect DB. Okay, fine. Then chat.controller.ts emit message in real time. At the top, import io dot from index. Okay. Then inside the permanent, then emit real time message to the room. io dot to conversation ID dot to string dot emit new message populated. Okay, fine. Then front end add socket io dot client. npm I socket io dot client. Okay, src then sockets with credentials. Okay, okay. Socket in src socket.ts chat container socket. Connect socket with when chat opens. डी धैर्य शिवरात्रि की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं ब्रो. ये डी धैर्य आपको भी शिवरात्रि की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं भाई. आई एम द चैंपियन. हैप्पी महाशिवरात्रि एवरीवन. या हैप्पी महाशिवरात्रि एवरीवन. I am the champion. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. I am the champion. Okay, there we go. Modify handle send. No change required. Fine result. Let's implement. I think this is a clean architecture. Let's do this. I'm excited. Fine. Socket I have installed. Okay, now close this, close this, close this, this, and this. Close everything. Now come to backend, src index.ts. Fine. Now port is done. We'll come here, import http from http, import server from socket.io. Done. Port done. Then const server equals http dot create server of app. Yep, this is my app. I got the app here. Then server has been created. Then export const socket equals export const io input out equals new server, and pass this server. We'll do this. I'm the champion. For maintaining the conversation, you plan to use Redis. I have not decided that yet. I'm the champion. Server. Then I'll get the course. Then for course, I'll get origin will be process.env of this one. Course origin, then with this is done. Course, then credentials should be true. IO, then this is done. Here it is done. Yup. Then IO dot on, and this will be my event connection. I'll take socket as an input, and then here we'll manage this. It's Ultron 18. Hello, what's up? Hello, Ultron 18. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So this is my socket. Then I'll do console.log user connected. Then this will be socket.id. Socket. This will be socket.id. User connected. Fine, this is my socket ID. Got it. Then now socket. See what we are doing. Basically, if somebody is paying attention, what you need to understand is that this IO means this entire circuit. IO means this entire circuit. Fine. So when I'm doing io.on, so basically what I'm saying is that when a event is triggered when connecting with this circuit, then do something. So inside, when this connection is done, now as you can see in this code, we're getting socket.on. Now we are targeting individual sockets, this sockets. So what this socket needs to do, that's what we are doing. Then socket.on, then join room, I think. .on, join conversation event. Fine, and there I'll get the conversation ID. This will be the data that I'll get from my front end. Conversation ID, and socket dot join conversation ID. Console.log user joined conversation conversation ID. Done. Then socket on disconnect. Socket on disconnect. Socket on name of the event is disconnect okay, console.log user disconnected socket.id. This is done, and here instead of server const server, this will be normal server. Hold on. Where is my server? Yes. DB. Let's connect DB this entire part. Let's comment this and comment this also. And here let's follow this one. Let's see what happens. Yes. Let's see. npm dev any issues server. Dharya, damn, my class just ended. I hate concave convex mirrors now. Okay, so I think maybe you're in class 10 or class 12 because these things was in light chapter in physics in class 10 or class 12. I'm the champion. For Node.js, we have Socket.io, but for Python and Spring, what do we have? I don't remember for Python or Spring what we have. कितना हो गया यू नो ऑलमोस्ट पूरा एप्लीकेशन हो गया है अभी हम लोग सॉकेट आई इम्प्लीमेंट करें रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन के लिए डी धैर्य ट्वेल्थ में या ट्वेल्थ में ओके मैं मेरे भी ट्वेल्थ में ये सब था सेमी कंडक्टर्स था इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर था वो सब था सो दिस इज वर्किंग which language is easier to learn is it python see python is very easy like it is more english like so it is fairly easy javascript is also easy. So this is done. This is done. Now if I come to my chat.controller.ts, controller chat.controller.ts, import IO from export IO I am doing. Export IO, export IO, export IO I am doing. Okay, fine. Import from dot slash. Any suggestions? Slash index. Got my IO here. When going for send message, when we're working for send message, message dot populated. Where is my populated? Where is my populated? When I got my populated part, then IO dot two, basically two conversation ID dot to string dot emit. What do I need to emit new underscore message event name, and I'll pass the populated. Fine. Now whenever user sends a message, everyone in the conversation gets it live. Fine. Front end. Now if I go to my front end socket, I've done create sockets. This is okay. Sanket, bro, you forgot to answer me. Okay, sorry, Sanket. Welcome to my stream. What was your question, Sanket? I think I missed your chat. Uh, can you repeat, Sanket? What was your question? So डी धैर्य डिफाइन योर पर्पस ऑफ लर्निंग डी धैर्य फन एंड बस होप कि गलती से मैं कुछ अच्छा सीख जाऊं ओके टेक्नो डीप ब्रो इंडियन आईटी just lost $4 trillion. See, I $4 trillion they lost it. Which Indian IT company? Like particular company or the like the industry? Coding with Panda official. Hello, Coding with Panda. Welcome to my stream. Hello, I'm also coder. Hi, how are you? What are you actually making? Can you give me some details of the project? Yeah, sure. I'm building a full stack social media application using 1 second TypeScript. And right now I'm implementing Socket.io for real time communication and the chatting system. I'm the champion. What WTF? Okay. Deep industry. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. People will lose jobs. People will lose jobs. Suraj, Google offering early retirement, just like BSNL. Suvajit Roy, can you fix your mic? Okay. Am I audible, guys? Do let me know. Am I audible? Suvajit, can you fix your mic? Sometimes it is inaudible as it is distracted from your distance from your voice. Okay. Suvajit, I hope I'm audible right now. Uh, guys, do let me know if I'm audible or not. Okay. Chat controller done. और कितना दिन लगे इसको कंप्लीट करने में हो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कल तक हो जाएगा या लाइक आज ही हो जाएगा बिकॉज हम लोग सॉकेट आईओ भी इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं सूरज व्हेन यू मूव व्हाइल टॉकिंग माइक लॉस्ट वॉइस व्हेन यू कम too close to camera okay got it like with time hopefully if this channel grows I'll try to get a new mic. Okay, coding with Panda. Wow, looking nice. Your backend is looking nice. Thanks, coding with Panda. Thanks a lot, brother. Subhajit Roy. Now you're audible. Okay, Subhajit. And guys, do let me know like if I'm audible, inaudible sometimes, or there's something wrong with the stream. Do let me know in the chat. All right. So backend, I think we are done. Now for the front end, SRC sockets. SRC. I need to create a file called socket.ts. Okay, we'll do this. Fine. Import IO from I think socket.io client done. Then export const socket equals IO dot this and this will be process. Okay, import dot meta dot env dot wheat backend url and here we'll get with credentials. Hold on. Credentials to true, right? And auto connect to true. Fine. We auto connect to false. Okay. Hold on. False. Okay. Dot io. Just this one. This is done. I exported the chat container. Chat container real time service. Chat container. If I go to my components, chat container. Where's my container? Chat page container. Chat container. This is my chat container. Import socket. Import socket. Import socket. Connect socket with chat opens. Use inside use effect where you load conversations. Okay. Use effect where I load the conversations here. Okay. Conversation. Okay, hold on. Conversation ID. Where is it? Handle send. Where is it? Chat container use effect. Handle send no change required. So keep. Techno Deep. Hello, Techno Deep. Welcome to my stream. By the way, what project are we making here? We are building a social media application, a full stack social media application using MERN and TypeScript. And right now, I'm implementing Socket.io for chat application, chat part of this application. Yeah. Deep area, 4 trillion. That's huge amount. Then why no news channel talking about it? Or is it normal? It's old news. Okay. Your case. Bye. अभी मेरे एरिया का गवर्नमेंट मेरी तरह बीकेआर लोगों को 40 साल तक 1500 पर मंथ देगा बिकॉज ऑफ जॉब का जी ओके अनुराग सिंह ओके ओके सूरज आई न्यू कोडर्स प्लीज स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग योर ओन थिंग्स कंपनीज आर गोइंग ऑटोनोमस विथ वेरी लेस स्टाफ यप गुड एडवाइस सूरज आई एग्री I did the chat container hold on chat container get a create conversation set conversation id what am I doing here chat opens chat opens use fact if there's no receiver id return then here we go I think here socket dot connect socket dot emit join conversation conversation id here okay here I'll do this I think here I'll do this let's do it here then socket dot connect socket dot emit join conversation then I'll get the conf dot underscore id conversation id I'm passing it there which handle send hold on this is my chat container dot tsx सचिन ब्रो एक टॉप क्लास का प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी क्रैक करने के लिए कितना डीएसए चाहिए आई मीन कितना क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस सी टॉप क्लास के प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड के लिए आपको काफ़ी अच्छा होना पड़ेगा डीएसए में क्योंकि वो लोग का फिल्टरिंग राउंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है लाइक वो लोग का 6 या 7 खाली डीएसए राउंड ही होता है तो वो लोग आपको बहुत क्वेश्चंस करते हैं तो आपको डीएसए काफ़ी अच्छे से आना चाहिए Suraj Dai, do you know why React Wheat uses localhost 5173? Yeah, see, React with Wheat uses localhost 5173 by default, but if you want to change the port, basically each and every process that you run in an application, it needs a port to run. Basically, when we run any application, that process gets defined in a port where that process runs so this is a part of operating system but basically when you create an application like React it uses particular port 5173 basically that's defined only we can change that number it can be 5172 also 5174 also you know then that's because it needs a port to run Benzer, if you are full stack developer, let's install Arc Hyperland Linux. Okay. Sanket, bro, you ignored my nearly 4 times. Damn. Bro, like Sanket, which question did you ask, brother? Can you ask that question again, Sanket, if you can hear me? Today I talked to my hone wali mashuka. That's nice. Shah 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 Baj Ahmed. Okay. भाई मुझे फ्रंट एंड आता क्या, जॉब मिलेगी? सिर्फ फ्रंट एंड के आने से जॉब मिलना काफ़ी मुश्किल है अभी के टाइम पे, आपको फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट आनी चाहिए। सूरज, दिस फनी फैक्ट बिहाइंड द नंबर 51735, 5 इज V, 1 is I, and 7 is equal to and 3 is E. Oh, that is nice. Okay, got it. So it spells wheat. Sachin, ब्रो एज अ फैंग लेवल का प्रिपरेशन के लिए क्या क्या करनी चाहिए? मेरे पास अभी 3 साल है टाइम। डीएसए को पूरा खा जाओ, मतलब डीएसए को पानी के जैसा पी लो, कि तुम्हें क्वेश्चन देख के तुम्हारे मन में पैटर्न आना चाहिए कि ये क्वेश्चन इस पैटर्न से होगा, उस लेवल का डीएसए करो। ओके, फाइन। एंड Varath Poddar. Hello, Varath Poddar. Welcome to my stream. Do you use Redux? So I need to learn. Yeah, in this application, we are using Redux because for state management. And Redux is industry standard, so you should learn about it. Okay, fine. Give me the full code. Okay, here we are doing that. Handle, okay, handle new message. Okay, fine. There we go. Remove this here. Remove this here. Use effect. Socket logic. Use effect. Fine. Use effect. If there is no conversation ID, we return. Fine. We return. Then socket dot connect. Socket dot emit join conversation ID const handle new message equals message this part I can copy here. This part here, this is here. Then socket dot on new underscore message handle message, and there return and dismount socket dot off new message, right? And then handle new message, handle new message, handle new message, then socket dot emit this off. Okay, leave conversation. Let's create this socket.emit leave conversation socket.disconnect, then socket.disconnect, then this will be conversation id. Everything is same, I think. Now just one more change, that in our backend src index we also need to create that leave conversation part. This one disconnect, this one socket on delete conversation. Socket on join conversation. This one here, just this one here, and fine. Server running on port this one. Now hopefully this will work. npm run dev, npm run dev. Close this, close this also. Come here, come here, local host 5173. Now let's create this one. We will go visit new incognito window. Close 5173. Let's make it test user 4. Test user 4. Log in here, and let's go to this one for test user 4. My test user 4. Any anything, any messages? Here. Okay. Now let's see. Hey, send. Hey, hello, send. No, it is not working. It is not working. जो भाई फुल स्टैक से जॉब इजीली मिल जाएगी, वो आपके स्किल पे डिपेंड करता है। लाइक अभी कंपटीशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, तो सिर्फ सीखने से नहीं, आपको प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे। इन बैक एंड विच स्टैक यू प्रेफर? आई प्रेफर मर्न स्टैक। बेंजर, विच कंट्री आर यू फ्रॉम? बेंजर, आई फ्रॉम इंडिया। वेर आर यू फ्रॉम? सचिन, ब्रो आप अभी कौन सी ईयर में हो? सचिन, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई बीटेक। डी धैर्य, मेरा एफबीआई एजेंट में स्क्रीन देख के थक गया है। Var Poddar, I watched tutorials but I forget concepts later. How do you learn full stack? See, only by watching tutorial, if you understand the code, that is fine, but you have to build projects on your own. सोनी गेमिंग आज कहाँ तक पहुँचा? चैट सेक्शन हो गया है, बट वो अपनी सॉकेट आईओ इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। हाउ मच टाइम टू लर्न बैक एंड आफ्टर फ्रंट एंड? इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 months। सूरज, ओके। डी धैर्य, सोनी गेमिंग भाई ऐसे पूछ रहा हो जैसे वो आपके एम्प्लॉय हो। आई लव दिस टोन। सूरज, ये ठेकेदार आया क्या देख रहा था लाडले? सॉरी, मेरी सोच गंदी है I'm building something like GPT. No, I'm building a social media application. Ask everyone to spam heart in chat. I heard it attracts more viewers. Okay, Guys, try to spam heart in chat. Let's see if it works or not. Since Suraj, thanks a lot, brother. Sanket, since you are adding socket listener inside use effect, how are you preventing duplicate listeners or state closure when state updates? Basically, I'm passing in the dependency array. I'm passing the conversation ID. Suraj AI. Okay, heart. Guys, do spam. Try to spam heart. Okay, Travis Thakur. By BTech third year, tier 3 student, no skill. Wasted college. Give me a development roadmap for earning 30,000 per month with time frame for roadmap. See, pick one language, learn JavaScript. Okay, start with JavaScript, master JavaScript, then go to backend, learn express.js, Node, routes, controllers, databases, then learn React and HTML and CSS. Then build full stack project, like build at least 3 to 4 full stack projects, and then start applying. सोनी गेमिंग डी धैर्य अरे नहीं भाई, बहुत टाइम से देख रहा हूँ और मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है वर्क, बस इसीलिए. ओके, सोनी गेमिंग. ट्रैविस ठाकुर. भाई बीटेक थर्ड ईयर. ओके, आई हैव आंसर्ड दैट. ट्रैविस. स्लोड म्यूजिक रिवर्व कितना दूर पहुंचा भाई आपका प्रोजेक्ट? अभी चैट सेक्शन हो गया है, बट इसमें सॉकेट आयो लगाना बाकी है. लाइक उसी में काम चल रहा है अभी, सॉकेट आयो लगाने में. ट्रैविस ठाकुर, आई हैव आंसर्ड दैट. ट्रैविस. सूरज, सूरज, थैंक्स अ लॉट ब्रदर. थैंक्स सोनी गेमिंग फॉर द हार्ट्स. थैंक्स सूरज. डी धैर्य, मजाक कर रहा हूँ ब्रो. ओके, गेट 22 फ्रॉम 19. सूरज, थैंक्स सूरज. थैंक्स अ लॉट सूरज. डी धैर्य, नो प्रॉब्लम ब्रो. ओके, सचिन, सचिन, थैंक्स फॉर द हार्ट्स. लैब क्रिएटिव स्टूडियो, भाई इतना कुछ इससे नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके. संकेत, would using callback or a ref for the handler makes it this more stable? No. If you can handle the use effect with a dependency array, then use effect is better because it, it mounts when the page is loaded or the component is mounted. Okay. I know Varat Poddar. I know basics of front end like Tailwind, CSS, React.js, Next.js. How should I start backend? Pick a backend tech stack like Express, Node, MongoDB. Then build projects, build REST APIs, use authentication. Okay. Slowed music. Thank you, music reverb. Thanks, Suraj. Thanks, Varat Poddar. Thanks a lot, brother. Slowed music reverb. Nice emoji. Okay. Okay, this is not working here. Why is this not working? Leave conversation. Chat container. Disconnect. Chat socket. Backend. src index. This is my index. This is my index.ts. Then controllers. Chat controller. In send message. Basically, I'm using io.to emit. I'm doing this. io.to to string emit. New message populated. Okay. New message. Fine. If I come here, if I come socket.leave conversation. It is socket.leave conversation ID console left room. Something is off here. Okay. Client this. Let's try this. Socket app chat controller index chat container. Not here in my socket. Frontend src socket .ts. Let's was my http localhost 4000. Import. Let's try with this. http localhost 4000. If I come here, 4000 with credentials auto connect false. With credentials auto connect false. Any messages here? npm run dev. About 4,000 user connected. Okay, now it is working. Now it is working. Now it will work. So okay, fine. Now if I come here, okay, test user 4. How is your health? Pass this. Now if I come here, I did not reload. How is your health? My health is fine. My health is fine. My health is fine. Okay. Your health. Not refresh. Okay, okay. Suraj AI. In which category you are streaming? Science and technology. Slowed music reverb. Okay. Thanks slowed music reverb. Thanks a lot. डी धैर्य भाई, जो लोग कमेंट्स में कहते हैं कि लाइक करो नहीं तो फेल, उन लोगों को के लिए दो शब्द। वो भाई वो सब में मत मानो, वो सब कुछ नहीं होता है लाइक फेल तुम्हारे ऊपर। सूरज एआई भाई, ये तो कम हो गए, लगता है 17 लोग हो गए 22 से। Bharat Podar, I am too late currently in 8th sem. See, if you are in 8th sem, then you should start learning just build projects. Just build projects and prepare DSA. ट्रेविस ठाकुर भैया CGPA 6 है क्या विथ हार्ड एफर्ट्स इट इज पॉसिबल टू बी जॉब रेडी इन 1 year starting from scratch does CGPA matter in startups no CGPA does not matter in startups and अभी भी तुम्हारे पास 1 साल है you can 1 year is enough to get a 30,000 job it is more than enough डी धैर्य दो दो ले ब्रो इट मैंगो ट्रेविस ठाकुर भैया ओके आई आंसर दैट सूरज दो ही क्यों हम सूरज कहाँ से जाइट्रा वर्क्स कहाँ से सीखे हो जाइट्रा वर्क्स आई हैव लर्नड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम यूट्यूब ट्रेविस ठाकुर भैया सी जी पी ओके आई आंसर दैट थैंक्स डी धैर्य थैंक्स फॉर द मैंगोज सूरज build something that company will like CGPA does not matter true yes again not yet I have not implemented it in this project more म्यूजिक अभिषेक बी लाइक मेरे को ब्राइट स्क्रीन से इशू होता है बट रिंग लाइट से नहीं ट्रू ट्रू सूरज अब क्या करें लाइक रिंग लाइट इज नेसेसरी नहीं तो अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं आएगा स्ट्रीम का स्टोर म्यूजिक रिवर्ब थैंक्स स्टोर म्यूजिक रिवर्ब थैंक्स फॉर द इमोजीज इट वर्क ब्रो 25 वॉचिंग थैंक्स सूरज भैया CGPA 6 है क्या या ट्रैविस 1 साल काफ़ी होता है आप सिर्फ DSA करो और प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ जाइट्रा कहाँ से सीखे हो जाइट्रा मैंने यूट्यूब से सीखा है सब ट्राई स्ट्रीमिंग एजुकेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट कैटेगरी टुमारो ओके आई ट्राई दैट but my see like I want to attract relevant users who are actually interested like I don't want users who are not interested and they are just watching for time pass I want people who are actually interested in this thing Sonic Gaming bro linked the link comment कर दो आपकी okay I'll do that Real Gaming say hi to my friend Zakria. Hi Zakria and welcome to my stream Real Gaming and Zakria. Sanket, why don't you take help of Cursor in a project bro? See Cursor is fine like I will do it eventually in future but right now I'm trying to understand and try to upskill myself so I don't want to get entirely dependent on AI IDs right now. For last 3 days you live stream dropped in my suggestions. Okay, nice Zaitra. I hope you're enjoying my stream brother. Stored music reverb. Thanks for the emojis. Stored music reverb. भैया सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है हम HTML CSS नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ बहुत डीप पढ़ना लगता है हूँ, मास्टर करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। देखो पहले एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पकड़ो, फिर इसके टॉपिक्स पढ़ो, फिर डीएसए के क्वेश्चन उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड लगाओ। अगर क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो रहे सॉल्व तो सोल्यूशन देखो, पर सोल्यूशन का कोड खुद से लिखो। Okay, DSA in JS is okay because I am more in JS. Yeah, DSA in JS is fine. Slowed Music Reverb. Bro, I'm your 401st subscriber. Remember me? Yeah, Slowed Music Reverb. I always remember you, brother. Like, I remember your name. Anemia. Want what to do my first internship in next sem, but want to learn in internship ready data science. So how many months should I take? And then I'll continue for the placement. So you can take at least 6 months. Minimum give yourself 6 months to learn any technology. Mohammad Hassan. Hello Mohammad Hassan. Welcome to my stream. Bro, एक प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहा था, बंदी से बात नहीं हुई और नाराज़ हो गई, क्या करूं? सी अगर बंदी आपको आपका समझती है कि आपका करियर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको अपनी लाइफ का करियर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको लाइफ में सक्सेस कितना इंपॉर्टेंट, तो वो सब उसको पता है कि इफ़ अनलेस एंड यू आर चीटिंग ऑन यू आर नॉट चीटिंग ऑन हर, वो अगर आप काम पे बिजी हो तो उसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए कि बंदा काम कर रहा है मेरा, किसी पे कि कहीं पे मुंह नहीं मार रहा है, तो शी शुड बी हैप्पी दैट यू नो फोकस्ड ऑन योर करियर. Sanket, it's really a good step, bro. I'm doing the same thing and just thought you might also have the same thinking. Yeah. Yes, sure, Sanket. Fitness Manjeet. Hello, Fitness Manjeet. Welcome to my stream. भाई मैं पाइथन कर रहा हूँ. That is nice. Python is a very powerful language. अच्छे से करो. सूरज, अब ही सीपीसी मिलेगा, नाइट में फॉरेन व्यूअर्स आ रहे हैं. ओके, फिटनेस मंजीत, आगे का क्या करूं? फिटनेस मंजीत, आफ्टर लर्निंग पाइथन, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट, स्टार्ट विद Django, and if you're into AI/ML, then learn NumPy, Pandas, those libraries, and then learn PyTorch. ट्रैविस ठाकुर, भैया एवरेज टाइम बता दो फॉर ईच टेक्स्ट टैग, HTML, CSS एंड फुल MERN. एवरेज कुछ भी आप टेक्स्ट टैग सीखो, इट विल टेक अराउंड 6 to 8 months टू मास्टर इट. Worth Buddha, startups are DSA. No, startups don't ask DSA much, but they ask basic DSA like array string. That's it. D Dharya, you got some of the nicest people as subs. No, like Neon Man. Like Neon Man, which one? Like developer. It's a developer. Sonic Gaming, I like your thinking, bro. Thank you, Sonic Gaming, and I hope you're liking the stream as well. Travis Thakur, जॉब कर रहे हो क्या आप? या इफ़ या देन कंपनी एंड सैलरी. मैं जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं कोई का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. नीमिया, मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं रख पाता, लर्निंग ब्रेक कर देता हूँ या चीज़ परेशान करती है. आप ना लॉन्ग टर्म पे नज़र रखो, बट थिंक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट डे. आप ये सोचो कि नेक्स्ट डे मुझे क्या करना हो, और try to accomplish that task every single day. Slowed Music Reverb, bro, can you see my website, which is my cafe site, and suggest me some more upgrades with which I can learn too? Yeah, sure, Slowed Music Reverb, you can DM your website link in my Instagram. I'll check it out and I'll tell you. Viresh Swami, bro, I'm just joined NXT Wave and now I'm learning coding full stack Python, but अभी JavaScript loops का DSL logic नहीं पा रहा हूँ. See, Viresh Swami, you need to understand JavaScript as a language first, then you need to go into DSA. Mohammad Hassan, love you भी तुम बहुत कमाल हो. Thank you, Mohammad Hassan. Suraj Dai, 31 watching Congo. Hello, all the viewers. Thanks for watching. Sonic Gaming, bro, I did Python, C, C++, HTML, Pandas, CSS, CSS. I don't like or understand those words. Once, as I'm liking the JS. Yeah, see, C++ is a vast concept. Just understand the basics and then continue with it. Then go to, learning JavaScript, then React, Backend, all those things. D Dharya, the YouTube news anchor, Neon Man. You should see his comments. Okay, I'll check it out later. Sonic Gaming, also Django. Yeah, Django is very powerful for backend. Ibrahim Mohsin, and I thought Abhishek Sharma only hit sixes in the field. Thanks, Ibrahim Mohsin, and welcome to my stream, brother. Nemia Edits, thank you, bro. Welcome, Nemia. Suraj AI, okay. Ibrahim Mohsin, I am training an LLM right now while watching someone code social media site. Oh, that's nice. And Ibrahim, you should connect with me. Like, if you have the skill to develop your own LLM, then I'm understanding that you are too good in this. Maybe you can connect, and I like to learn from you. Varat Poddar. For web dev, I watch your live stream, and for DSI, I watch Buddhist live stream. Both of you already hardworking. Thank you, Varat Poddar. Thanks a lot, brother. Slowed music, bro. Skipped my comment. No slowed music. I told you to DM your, website in my Instagram. I'll check it out. You can send that website link in my Instagram. I'll check it out. D Dharya, you laugh on silly things, not jokes. I don't know. I'm very hasmukh. Asks AR Smokes, what are your thoughts on Java? Java Spring Boot is a very powerful backend framework, and I have worked with it. It is very powerful. You should learn it. Bro, you know next NXT Wave? No, I don't know what is NXT Wave. Suraj, Moshin, for what? Personal project or its company take? Okay, slowed music. I did not receive the link. In chat, I don't think the links are visible. Fine. Okay, send message. Remove edge to send message loading. Cool. Socket is working, but when I send the message, I need to refresh. The user needs to refresh to see. My health is fine. My health is fine. Hold on, my health is fine. My health is fine here. And if I come here, my health is fine. Refresh. My health is fine. Okay. And okay, then this is happening. This is also working. If I come here, guys, just I'll start working now. Then I'll read the chat. Just give me a few minutes. In your current code, you are doing this returns disconnect. This is the issue. You are disconnecting the socket every time the component renders or changes, so the other user is connected long enough to receive. Uh-huh. Current architecture important. Fixed step socket.ts. Okay, auto connect to true. I need to make it true. Fine, auto connect to true. Make it true. And just a sec. What if I do this like this? And here instead of this, I do this one. Import dot meta dot env dot where's my dot env here. This is my backend wheat backend URL. If I come here, it will be wheat backend URL. Fine, we go here, npm run dev, and if I come here and if I refresh here, then I should get something there in my backend. There. Okay. Okay. Username. But I'm not getting that message. Okay. Maybe something is wrong here. Okay. Uh, HTTP localhost 4000. Now if I come here, now if I refresh, then I should see something. I use a joint conversation, and here if I refresh, I should get another one here. Conversation one. Okay. Or true connected. And then after this is done. Fix it. Socket effect. Replace the socket here with this. Do not disconnect here. Okay. Remove socket and disconnect. Where? 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 Give me the full code. Oh, fine. Chat container. Socket listener chat container. Remove this. Then here, I come over. Slowed music reverb. Links cannot be sent in the chat. Like I did not make that. It's YouTube. You cannot send link in the chat. It will not be visible to other people. Okay. Socket. Remove this socket dot connect. Remove this. Okay. This set message. Conversation. Then not disconnect here. Okay. This is done. This is done. Then where will I put socket dot on in front end? कुछ connected but message only appear correct structure. What is this issue here? Okay, so I return cleanup. Receive here. Let's see. Let's refresh. Also, let's refresh. Are you free for coffee? If I send, why is it sending twice? Okay, I'll fix that. Okay, here we go. Yep, I'm receiving the message at the real time. Okay, now, yes, I am free. Now let's send this. Okay, if I, this is happening. Now if I come here, yes, I'm free. Cool. See, real time has been established, but now this is working. This is my code. Chat container.tsx. Chat container.tsx. Yes. Socket. So socket. Yes. Fine. But when I send the message in UI, the message is showing two times. Showing two times. I also emitting the same message via socket, so the message enters send message. This is the first time stating idea also fine. So when you send message, correct real time architecture. Let's socket events update the UI. Okay. Recommend remove local state update on handle send. Okay. Gone send message. Remove this. Okay. Send message. Chat container. Chat container. Where is it? Chat container. Send message. Chat container. Send messages. Remove this. Handle send. Okay. In my handle send. Okay. Handle send. Okay. I need to remove this. Now let's see. Now let's close this. Now let's close this. Fine. What am I getting? My backend. Am I getting anything? You're disconnected. Cool. 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 Very good. Now let's just come here. Close this. Close this. Clear this. Clear this. Now let's come here and start the server. npm run dev. Right, just a reminder, if you are enjoying this stream, do consider subscribing. Backend npm run dev, npm run dev. And now if I come here, it's my first user. First user. Okay. This is my first user. Cool. And now let's new incognito window. Localhost 5173. Test user 4. Test user 4. Okay. So now let's do one thing here. In my front end, I'll go to test user 4. Then let's meet at CC1 around 5 p.m. tomorrow. If I send this here, if I come here, yes, sure, let's meet. If I send this and if I come here, sure, let's meet. Okay, fantastic, 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 cool. Now let's send a photo. Let's see any message. Okay, let's send this screenshot. How is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if I come here, yeah, I'm getting a message. Yeah, real time is working. Cool. All right. Finally, guys, we have implemented real time. And one more thing. Now this is here. Chat is working absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. And if I come here, I'll let them know that you are disconnected. Okay. Yep. If I do this, cool, 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 cool. This is done. This is done. This is done. Here we go. Okay. Now let's read the chats. Uh, Ibrahim Mohsin, I'm using reinforced learning on Mistral 12B construct, training it on small SLMs, managing the heat and weight and stuff to find the balance while keeping the old knowledge intact. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, Ibrahim Mohsin. Eat mango. Ibrahim Mohsin. So office project. I want to do my own. Buy GPU cluster for training efficient LLM cost around 1.6 CR. Okay. Nvidia for CUDA don't have that kind of money, bro. But with solo GPU, I can create SLM. That's nice. Keep going, brother. I hope like you find the right people who can support you with this project. Your PC and 60 GB RAM. Okay, Sonic Gaming. How much time this project takes? This project is almost over. Like it is over only. Now I need to implement the. Now next target is to implement the notification system, and we'll do this. What's up? Okay. Now let's chat a new person. Test user one. Let's chat this person. Hold on. Here, I'll come here and let's log out. Now let's log in as test user one. Test user one. I'll log in here and now if I come here, where is it? Now if I come to test user one, hey, come here. This I need to refresh it here also. How are you? If I come here, how are you? I am good. I am good. Now get it here. Fine. This is working. This is working here. This is working here. Either a setup tour. When? Setup tour. Soon, soon. Like I don't know when. Should I make a video like normal YouTube video? Like, do you guys like my videos? Normal videos, like that's in my channel. Ibrahim Motion. RAM 128 GB GPU. Okay, that's nice. Suraj. Company start cloud storage in India. So we'll be using them by renting like we host website. Yo everyone, tell them PC specific. Suraj nahi. Slowed music. I gave it in a DM, bro. Okay. Slowed music review. I'll check it after the stream. Suraj. Okay. It's just in one message. I'm using best fun, right? But then you should okay. Chat is good. Mine only knows. Okay. Okay. Bro, what do you do for live? Like you said, I'm not doing job or anything. So what you do? Sony Gaming, I do freelancing. If I get projects, I earn little bit from that. I've seen people building LoRa for fun. Yup. So, Sonic Gaming, he just breathes and code. Okay. Yes, as Noel said, fine tuning models will be the new coding. Yeah. Finally back home. Sub cap. Nine Name Games, welcome back, brother. How was your day? Hack my friend Instagram and block his GF. Okay. I got it from pen testing. Okay. How I talk to my other fake account is that my GF. Okay. Offline GF. Okay. English or Spanish? English. Ka omelette. Okay, 90 waves. Okay. Yeah, eat mango, nice guy. Bro is not reaching my comment at all. Bro, I'm reading your comment. Like I was working now. I said that like after the stream, I'll check that and I'll check that website and let you know. भाई DSA सीखो या सिस्टम डिजाइन फॉर रिमोट जॉब्स सिस्टम डिजाइन सीखो फॉर रिमोट जॉब्स दिव्यांश शर्मा learn system design if you're targeting this remote job and if you want to learn startups. Of course, shorts can help. Okay. Ibrahim Mohsin. We should focus on Abhishek hitting success in this project. Okay. Thanks, Ibrahim. हर्षित कश्यप. Hello, Harshit. Welcome to my stream. Bro, कहीं job मिली है क्या तुम्हें? Harshit, I was doing a job, but I left my job. I'm trying to build my own startup. Any games? Mike. Okay. 9 a.m. Mike is distorted. Don't look down and read. Guys, am I audible now? Do let me know. Divyan Sharma, buy DSA सीखूं या system design for US Canada remote jobs. Divyan Sharma learned system design and full stack development for remote jobs. स्टोर म्यूजिक रिवर्ब मेरे को वहां से भी इग्नोर किया जाएगा। अरे नहीं इग्नोर करूंगा, ये स्ट्रीम के बाद यार पक्का रिप्लाई। प्रियांशु करकी, हेलो कैसे हो ब्रो? मैं बढ़िया प्रियांशु, तुम कैसे हो? हेलो प्रियांशु, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। हर्षित कश्यप ब्रो, कहीं जॉब मिली है क्या तुम्हें? लाइक मैं जॉब कर रहा था बट मैं अभी छोड़ दिया हूँ। डाइनिंग डेज वाज completely scripted, done with formalities. Oh, that's nice. Dining games, my wallet feels lighter now. I can understand that pain, brother. अक्षय उपाध्याय ब्रो, डेटा साइंस के लिए डीएसए सीखना ज़रूरी होता है क्या? डेटा साइंस के लिए आपको पाइथन आनी चाहिए, बेसिक्स आनी चाहिए, बेसिक्स ऑफ डीएसए लाइक स्ट्रिंग एरेज, यू शुड नो दिस मच। प्रियांशु करकी, हेलो भाई, हेलो प्रियांशु, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। अक्षु उपाध्याय ब्रो, डेटा साइंस के लिए आई आंसर दैट। हेलो भाई, हेलो प्रियांशु। ओके हेलो, यस यस, हेलो हेलो प्रियांशु, हेलो ब्रो, हु लेफ्ट देयर जॉब्स? आई डिड, आई लेफ्ट माय जॉब। Viraj, bro, 10 plus LPA job is possible in 6 months as a Python full stack developer. Yes, it is possible. If you learn, like, if you build real good looking projects, like real product level projects, then yes, it is possible. Stored music reverb. Bro, refreshing the page is taking the convo off the chat to start instead of loading on the last message. Okay, I'll fix that. D Dharya, good Nini, bro. गुड नाइट डी धैर्य। हर्षित भाई, पाइथन जैंगो से बैकएंड की है, इसकी डिमांड है कि नहीं? आप जैंगो की बहुत डिमांड होती है, मैंने खुद जैंगो के साथ फ्रीलांसिंग काम किया है। जय श्री राम। डिड यू ले ऑफ? नो, आई लेफ्ट माई जॉब। जय श्री राम। प्रियांशु वर्गी, भाई आपको जॉब मिली? मैं जॉब कर रहा था बट आई लेफ्ट माई जॉब। ओके फाइन, लेट्स सी। दैट्स नाइस। आगे नम मेरी बातें चुभन तेरी, क्या मैं करूँ? Yeah, it is taking to the latest message only. If I refresh, see, if I refresh, it's taking me to the, okay, not here. The receiver side is happening. Okay, fine. I'll fix it. Okay. DSA questions you have done. When I was applying for the job, I did around basic 30, 50 questions. That's it. I didn't do DSA much. प्रियांशु भाई, आप क्या करते हो? मैं खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ प्रियांशु। Viswas Bell, bro, tell your story from job to YouTube stream. See, after BTech, I did job, like I cracked offline company. Then there, before my job, I was doing freelancing, contract based work. Then I got a job, but it was, like growth was not there. And it was, see, salary is fine, but I was not getting that mental growth wala thing. I wanted growth and I wanted to contribute to something bigger than me, right? So I decided, I did my job for 1 year. Then I thought कि ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा, I have to take a strong action. Then I left my job because with my job I was not getting enough time to work on extra things. So I left my job. I don't think these things too much. If I want to do something, I do it. Whatever the consequences will be, I am ready for it. But like I want to, it is better to fail and try and fail instead of not even trying. So that was the thing that I was thinking, and I left my job and I took that step. Okay, Priyanshu, HTML CSS JS से जॉब मिल जाती है क्या? नहीं, सिर्फ इतने से नहीं होता है, यू हैव टू बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स यूजिंग रिएक्ट और एनी बिग टेक्नोलॉजीज। 9 AM गेम्स, भाई को ऐश्वर्या मिली तो जॉब छोड़ दी भाई ने। 9 AM गेम्स, प्रियांशु करके ये जॉब मिलती है नहीं, आपको उससे भी ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा प्रियांशु। इब्राहिम, द फन इज नॉट इन द मनी, इट्स इन द पावर ऑफ क्रिएशन। दैट इज ट्रू, वेल सेड इब्राहिम, वेल सेड, आई एग्री इब्राहिम। शोर्ट म्यूजिक रिवर्ब, ऐश्वर्या जाएगी तो कौन आएगी? वो तो टाइम ही बताएगा कौन आएगी। 9 AM गेम्स। ओके दिव्यांशु, Which company and how many CTC? CTC was very less. Jai Shri Ram, bro, what was your package? It was very less. It was less than the tax. That's all I can say. D area, bro, you have a GF. D area, like these things are not to be, disclosed in the public. Fine. Okay. So this is done. Fine. Let's come here. Okay. 39 9 games तगड़ा कमेंट करता है भाई. Deepak Pradhan, after BCA, what package we can accept? See, after BCA, you have to find companies and you have to prove them your skills. That is the difference between BCA and BTech. So you have to build good projects. But if you can build that and you can crack companies, then you can get good packages like 6 LPA minimum. D धैर्यम ओके मतलब सिंगल है मेरे जैसा ओके दीपक प्रधान विद गुड स्किल्स यस स्लोड म्यूजिक रवाव का 3 पास okay. So yep, this is done. Socket I've implemented. Now in the next stream, I think I'll implement the notification system. Fine. Guys, just one reminder that as of now, if anybody is interested in this code and you want to get this code, this is now this application is complete. Like this is a full stack application, but I will not stop working on this application because there are more advanced things like how to work on the notification systems, what are caching, how to implement caching in this project, what are rate limiting. So I will be implementing this project. But if you need full stack project, you can use this code. You can come to my repository and you can use this code. Fine. And just one another reminder, guys. Like if you are new to my stream and you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to my stream. All right. So दिव्यांश शर्मा प्रोजेक्ट का कोड फ्लो कैसे सीखूं? अब वो आपको प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही होगा. आप जितना फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे आपको समझ में आएगा कि अच्छा दिस इज द फ्लो. डी धैर्य यहाँ एक नहीं मिल रही तुम्हारी 3-3 जी का नहीं आ रहा. सैम ब्रो कुछ मेजर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आइडिया दो ऑन फुल स्टैक. Build a e-commerce application or build a chat bot that can be integrated with any e-commerce application. That is a good project, I think. Let's I'll come here. Let's do this. Real time communication implemented with chat with socket.io in chat feature. Fine. Commit and I'll push. Bro, I have confusion between government job and tech career. I'm in final year and recently uh, goes a role in Infosys. Okay, what should I do? Should I prepare government job? I have fear of AI regarding coders. See, if you want stability and you want a comfortable life, go for government jobs. But see, in IT field, this now the job market is a bit unstable. That is the true. I'll not sugarcoat anything for people who are trying to get jobs. But if you want to, if you want to build something of your own, then go for IT career. AI UX designer. Hello AI UX designer. Welcome to my stream. I'm LLM full stack project बनाया क्या आपने? मैंने एक चैट जीपीटी क्लोन बनाया है. लाइक मेरे गिटहब में आपको मिल जाएगा, मेरे ट्विटर में आपको मिल जाएगा, लाइक एक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा उसका कोड. हर्षित कश्यप यार 8 सेम में ऑन कैंपस में सेल्स रिलेटेड कंपनीज दे रहे हैं. 8 सेम में क्या करूं? प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, सिंपली प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, दिन में 1-2 क्वेश्चन डीएसए का लगाओ. दैट्स इट. Kushagar Srivastava, can we directly go to companies for job or internship rather than online application? No, you cannot do that because companies don't accept applications like that. If they have a job portal, if they have a job posting, only then they will accept applications. Uh, Vinesh Swami, bro, I also have same mindset like you. Can I go for a job or startup? I don't like jobs, but for starting startups, I need to have money to. Yeah, Videsh Swami, you can go for startups, go for remote jobs. That is very good. And in the next something related to important questions on maybe on backend with how to approach these questions might work. कोई बना भी नहीं रहा है सब पर बहुत engagement होगा I think. Okay, I'll think about it. Nani. Thanks for the suggestion, brother. दीपक, hello दीपक, welcome to my stream. भैया फोकस डीएसए पे ज़्यादा दूँ या डेवलपमेंट साइड? करंटली आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू लर्न बोथ साइड बाय साइड, या साइड बाय साइड करो. लाइक दिन में 1-2 घंटे डीएसए को दो एंड बाकी का टाइम अपने डेवलपमेंट को दो. स्लो म्यूजिक रिवर्ब इंस्टेड ऑफ ई कॉमर्स ट्राई बिल्डिंग अ रियल टाइम वेब बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. That's the toughest thing I think after web-based game engines. Oh yeah, that is a very good suggestion. Slow music reverb. That's a good suggestion. Dean Haria. Damn, I feel sad because last school month is gone. Oh, I can understand like school, but I don't miss my school days. Uh, Kids Boy 1K. Hello Kids Boy, welcome to my stream. Bro, मेरा VS कोड नहीं चल रहा है, कोड रन ही नहीं हो पा रहा है, एरर नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ और प्रॉब्लम. अनइंस्टॉल करके वापस इंस्टॉल करो. Yeah, slowed music reverb. Try re-downloading it. Yes, Dheer, I predict you will complete 1000 subs in next 10 days. I hope so, brother. I hope so. Let's see. See. Next 2 days. Cool. So maybe I can remove this. Let's not remove this. Comment is fine. And here we go. And in my controllers, chat controller. Send message. In my send message part. Here I will talk to conversation. String emit new message. Emit new message. And if I go to my index, where's my index? New underscore message. Join my okay, fine. And if I go to my code, front end, src, components, chat page component, chat container. There we go, there we go, there we go. And here join conversation, done. Socket.on new message, handle new message. Handle new message. Okay, hold on. This handle new message. This returning is returning. Okay, it is returning. Cool. Just set messages. Return set messages. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Done. Done. Okay. So my next target will be to implement the notification system. Okay, I'll do that. Kids बॉय 1K 10 से ज़्यादा किया है भाई. 10 से ज़्यादा. टी धरे, where do you live? टी धरे, I am from West Bengal, India. Uh, Videsh Swami, your words on AI startups. AI startups are the future, in my opinion. Slowed music reverb तेरे घर पे. Ibrahim Abhishek, ever tried Opus 4.6? You do the hard work of system design, leave the coding to Opus. Okay. See, right now I have not tried any AI based IDs, but I will do that in future. That's my target. But I want to be so good in understanding the code that when AI returns any code to me, I want to understand the code so that I can understand what my application is going, like what my AI is doing for my code. स्लोड म्यूजिक रिवर्ब. ब्रो, वेस्ट बंगाल में किधर? कोलकाता. स्लोड म्यूजिक आई एम फ्रॉम कोलकाता. डी धैर्य हम्बा हम्बा डब्बा डब्बा. Funny. Outset. Building an app for image to PDF right now. It's building APK for that in Expo. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Good work. Outset. And welcome to my stream, Outset. Ibrahim Moshin. Me too from West Bengal. Oh, nice to meet you, Ibrahim Moshin. Slowed music reverb. I'm from West Bengal too. Oh, that's nice. Install किया पता नहीं क्या है. Okay. Restart your system, uninstall VS Code, then restart your system, and then install it again. 9 games. You done for the day? Yeah, almost done for the day. Like we have implemented this this one. Basically, I've turned off the server. We have implemented socket IO and real-time communication. So now my next target is to implement the notification system. Slowed music reverb. WTF? Kolkata में किधर? North Kolkata, like Fulbagan area side. Slowed music reverb. I am 120 away from Kolkata. Okay, slowed music reverb. Ibrahim Ocean. Me too. I'm from Kolkata, Jadavpur. Oh, that's nice. Ibrahim. दी दे रहे हैं निश्चित के शेख यार तुम इतनी फाइल स्ट्रक्चर मैनेज कैसे करते हो क्योंकि ये कोड मुझे समझ में आता है एंड कोड एक बार समझ में आता है तो फाइल क्या है फाइल इज जस्ट इजी है लाइक यू हैव टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरा कोड कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है दैट्स इट दी दे रहे हैं बांगोलीज का मीटअप हो गया लूप इन्फिनिटी ब्रो स्टिल लाइव या लूप इन्फिनिटी वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम ब्रदर हाउ आर यू ऑलराइट सो आई हैव डन दिस now close this I'll close this all right any more chats let's see any more chats pop up chat here if I pop up chat let's see yeah any more chats here Deepak Pradhan Bhaiya from last 3 months I feel very stressed and depressed I want to study 7 hours but I do barely 2 hours of coding सी कोडिंग इज अ कोडिंग ना वैसा नॉर्मल स्टडी सेशन जैसा नहीं होता कि आप से बैठ रहे हो आप टाइमर लगा रहे हो 4 घंटा तो हो जाएगा कोडिंग में ना एक फ्लो चाहिए आपको एक फ्लो स्टेट अचीव करना है तो फ्लो स्टेट ना ज़्यादातर 2 घंटा ही होता है लाइक मेरे से मैक्सिमम 4 घंटा या 5 घंटा फ्लो स्टेट होता है फिर मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए तो अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो एक बार में आप 7 hours ऑफ कोडिंग नहीं कर सकते यू हैव टू आप ऐसा करो डू 1 hour कोडिंग देन टेक 5 minutes और 10 minutes ब्रेक देन अगेन स्टार्ट डू समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड डिप्रेस मत हो ब्रदर depression is a state of mind if you can change your state of mind depression will go away slowed music reverb इब्राहिम भाई तू जादवपुर में रह के slowed music reverb दी धैर्य your name was found in FC 9am games I'm from Kolkata too oh that's nice 9am games we texted today in chat 9am games slowed music reverb 9am religious bro I'm religious so I don't have much issue with anyone smoking and drinking okay Fine. So, all right, everyone. I'll wrap up now. So, if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And like until next stream, keep learning and give your best. And don't get scared of any new changes. Just your goal should be to become the best version of yourself, right? Sorry, sir. आज इंस्टा यूज ही नहीं किया डी धैर्य आई ट्राई टू मेक अ प्लेन सिमुलेटर प्लेन स्टक बिटवीन ओके Ashit Tiwari, I have learned HTML, CSS. Okay. Last question. 9 games. करता हूँ मैसेज आज महाशिवरात्रि भी है. Okay. 9 games. Finally, brother, I know HTML, CSS. I want to make React Native. How can I? See, first master JSS, JavaScript. Then you can start learning React Native. But you have to be very good in JavaScript and HTML because it's a bit of HTML code in React Native we have. Okay, Harsh दोबारी कल पूछूंगा. Okay, finally, but I have 7 days. See, if you can give 4 to 5, 7 days may it is you can understand React Native basic, but you have to get hands-on experience, like watch a tutorial and code along with it. सोचा भाई गुड नीनी yeah yeah so alright everyone just a reminder if you enjoyed this stream do consider subscribing I'll see you in the next stream keep learning keep building stuff and I'll see you in the next stream Rayan Hussain what would you rate yourself in JS out of 10 I'll rate myself 4 or 5 9 good nini 9 games I want to learn MERN I have 4 months I can learn for fresher role I am mid DSA and core I am mid at DSA and core subs. See, you have to understand JavaScript, then you need to understand backend, and in backend, like learn Express, Node, and MongoDB. Then in Express, learn what are routes, what are middlewares, what are controllers, what is authentication. Understand all these things. Then go to front end, learn React, HTML, CSS, then build full stack projects and deploy it. Okay, guys, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining this stream, brothers. and I'll see you in the next stream. And do consider subscribing to this channel. Kshitij Patil, bro, I'm confused between Spring Boot plus React versus MERN. See, Spring Boot is good if you are interested in Java, but for fresher, it is difficult to get a job as a Spring Boot developer. MERN is easy for beginners. Ibrahim Mohsin, I would rate myself in JS 5, 1 in JS, 5 in Python. Yeah, it is fine. See, we are living in a time where understanding the code is much better than like knowing all the things. So I will rate myself 4 or 5, to be honest. हर्ष दोबारिया आई हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस कल पूछूंगा श्योर हर्ष कल पूछ लेना डी धैर्य सुनने दो यार भाई को ओके ऑलराइट गाइस I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining this stream and do consider subscribing to this channel if you enjoyed this stream, and bye and good night.